Welcome to the channel, my people. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am at the Williamsfield roundabout. So if you're coming from Winston Jones Highway, you're gonna take the Williamsfield side. Melrose bypass close ahead. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now I am in the Williamsfield area, Manchester. Melrose bypass close ahead. Yeah man, so I'm giving updates because you know a lot of people travel upon them road here. So now if you know what take place in Jamaica, you know, because sometimes don't knowing some of the time can cause an accident. So coming from that roundabout side, if you're coming from Winston Jones Highway, you're gonna detour, gonna take the Williamsfield area. If you wanna go to Porus, if you're going to Kingston also. Yeah man, so in the Williamsfield area guys. So this is the route we're gonna go take. So just drive with care. So caution. So this is beautiful Manchester in the Williamsfield area, right across from the train station. So the road is closed because I'm doing some work on the new highway from Maypen to Williamsfield guys. So if you're going to the Spalding side or Christiana, yeah man, you keep left, but we're gonna take the right turn. So we're gonna take the right turn. We're gonna use the old Melrose bypass road. So watch and see guys. Keep on watching. Remember, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe, like the video if you learned something about Jamaica, what's taking place in our beautiful Jamaica today. Yeah man, and also if you don't want to the light tree, you can come them side and get in the light tree. So yeah man, big up on yourself and you wanna watch from yard or abroad. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. And also if you want your plants, you can go over on your nursery on your left. And also if you want some grown product, some yam, sweet potato, cassava, dasheen, you can come into this area. As you see the sign said Porus to Kingston. Yeah man, so no know no sweet Jamaica. What go on the Jamaica side here in a Manchester area guys. Yeah man, I need to know them places what go on, you know. So I'm right in front of the Catholic College. Yeah man, so you know the road kinda busy. So I have to wait some time before I can go back on my route. Yeah man, so I have to wait some time, you know. If you make a left turn, that will take you all to Banana Ground. Also on your right will take you to Hope Village. You see the sign Hope Village, welcome to Hope Village. So we're gonna go straight ahead. This is we're on the gonna go on the old Melrose bypass. Yeah man, so you see the road, them kind of fix the road a bit. So you can have easy flow of traffic. Yeah man, so you know if you're coming from Kingston side, you can drive on the other side, not this side. I think this side is a one way. But I'm gonna show you how to get around in this area when you come this side. So just keep on watching guys. One love and one heart, your Jamaican tour guide, Fire Reid. There's not much to see in this area. Good road condition. Yeah man, I saw them truck guys that drive on the road, so I have to be careful. So we're not having any bumpy ride. Yeah man, some good road condition. Yeah, the road fix. I don't think the entire road fix, but close going to Porous side, the entrance right there. I don't think they fix it, go straight through guys. I know everyone wants to see the highway from Maypen to in the Manchester area guys. Don't know when that project will finish, but as soon as it finishes, I will give you all an update. Also, I need to give you an update on the Maypen side highway also guys. Very soon you will get an update from Fire Reid, your Jamaican tour guide. So we're gonna have some bumpy ride at the moment. So just hang on guys and enjoy the ride. So you all can leave your comments in the comment section, guys. Like up the video, free of cost, free of cost. Yeah man, just like up the video, my beautiful people. Like up the video. One love and one heart as always. If you make the left turn, would take you all to Porous, guys. So I'm gonna take the right turn, will take you up on the Melrose Hill. So you know if you come from Porous, so you can go up on the hill same way up on Melrose Hill. Yeah man, so I'm just giving an update. At least you will have an idea when you're coming from, you know, a lot of persons coming from Kingston side, from the airport. Yeah man, also them place there. So I don't know what I go on in a Manchester side. We don't have an idea before we reach certain things, you know? You see the sign Detour. Yeah man, traffic single lane ahead. You see on your left and on your right, that's where they're doing some work on the highway from Maypen to the Williamsfield area, guys, and also from Williamsfield to Maypen. Yeah, so you're gonna have less traffic in the Manchester area. Well, hopefully it worked the way they want it to work. So I'm heading towards the Yam Park. Yeah man, so if you want to know yam, roast yam, also with, you know, saltfish. Yeah man, so I'm heading to that direction. So be careful when you approach them corner, guys. Yeah man, so you have to be careful. A lot of big unit drive by them road here. So you need to be careful when not touch them street here, you know. A lot of mechanical problem at times. So on your right, you have the Yam Park. Yeah, as I told you before, get your roast yam, also your fried saltfish, also roast saltfish. Yeah man, so now if you use up in the mirror on the company road there, use up in the mirror, use up in the signal. Yeah man. As you can see, it's a single lane traffic, but some of the time I'm asking you guys, don't run any chance, because you don't know where, when you have some crazy people on the road, when they take the single lane and they take it turn 2 lane, so you have to be very careful also. So guys, what do you think about if Mandeville, Manchester can turn the next city? What you guys think about that? You think that can happen? Yeah, Manchester is a very nice place, cool parish. I don't know what they would determine for it to be the next city. So guys, right now I am at the Williamsfield roundabout again. Yeah man, you see the Million Man and the Pine Man. This is where them say the road kind of close off. You can go down Melrose Hill from here, from this side. Yeah man, so I'm at the roundabout again and at the Williamsfield area. If you make the left turn, will take you all to Royal Fat. It can take you right back to Mandeville town. Can take you to settlement. Big up to all the truckers them. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Yeah man, that's a part of safety. Need to park the unit and take a break. Yeah man, safety on the road. We are now on the Winston Jones Highway, guys. truth, fear, good will and better, beneficial. Yeah man, I saw a sign on the road, me I try to make them out, you know. Cause you know Jamaica don't have a lot of signs on the road. Trust me guys, highway are kind of bumpy. Yes guys, you see like how you see that guy that overtake right now, it's very dangerous. Very, very dangerous because the turn off there leading to Kendall. Yeah, some guys will just drive out, so you have to be careful in that area. Just take your time. If you don't see a truck like this, a go up or something, don't try to overtake in this area guys. Just give them some time to clear that zone here, then they can overtake. Because that intersection right there is very dangerous. So that's how it goes. That's how we roll in Jamaica. And also up on the left I get this one pine lady with him pine and lychee. Yeah man, check out them lady there. We're heading towards the New Green roundabout. That's the other place you get a lot of fruits also at the New Green roundabout. So we are now at the New Green roundabout guys. If you take the first exit, will take you all to Mandeville town. If you take the second one, will take you right back to Greenville roundabout, can take you back to St. Elizabeth. But now I'm taking the first exit, will take you all right to in the Mandeville town area, guys. So keep on watching. If you make the left turn, it will take you all to Kendall Road, can take you to English side, Battersea, and straight back to our Winston Jones Highway. So guys, so as soon as the Melrose bypass road open back, I will give you an update. So I have to keep my people informed of their beautiful island Jamaica. So I'm gonna make the right turn, will take you on to Caledona Road. Yes guys, I always obey the stoplights. Big up all of the hustler them, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Yeah man, that's how you get your honest bread. So big up yourself and not go thief, not rob or do nothing forget people things. So big up on yourself, you hustler them, you know. Go out in the street, buy a box of donuts, buy anything you want to buy and sell it and turn over the money and go again. That's how life's supposed to be. You know, so when you touch after 12 in a Mandeville, you know, so traffic gonna be in the town area. So if you can bypass the town, you can bypass it, guys. So we're on Caledonia Road, and you know on Caledonia Road, that's where you find the Mandeville Hospital on Caledonia Road. Yeah, everyone need to know that, because in case of any emergency, you know exactly where to go. If you make the left turn, will take you on to North Racecourse Road. Yeah, that will take you back on the one way. Will take you back to the Hargreaves side also, and it can take you back to the town center. So on the left, this is where you have the Mandeville Regional Hospital on your left. So guys, I'm gonna take you on towards Avenue. Yeah, a lot of people forget the street there, the Wards Avenue. So I will make the right turn, will take us onto Wards Avenue. If you make the left turn, will take you back into Mandeville town area, guys. Yeah, so on Wards Avenue, you have the Guardian Life, you have the JMMB Bank. Yeah, man, you have the Rapid True Value. So guys, I want to thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, your Jamaican tour guide. Yeah man.